Joining this live stream or watching this video. If you're watching replay, in today's live stream we're gonna be fixing this shed. This door, you can see that it's not shut properly. It is sagging and the hinge is almost falling apart, and you can see these boards here. They are rotten, so it was used to be an old deck, and now it is the floor of this shed, which got rotten because that floor was kind of like passing this wall, and all the water, when it goes down, it goes right into the floor and the connection between the floor and the wall. So it just got all rotten, and we need to replace these boards, fix the door, and put some structural pieces so it will hold better this kind of edge and this wall. So we are working on this today. Thank you for joining. Like and subscribe to the channel, and we're gonna start by moving some of the stuff, since these boards I'll be replacing like all of them, not just partially. So we're gonna just move all this stuff to the side, since like it looks like this shed wasn't in use for a long time because they were not able to actually get in safely. So we're gonna fix that today so the customer can enjoy next summer and safely use it. So now I'm just moving all that stuff to the side so we can change the boards. And we have few bikes here, and I'm not quite sure what we're gonna do to these bikes because they take quite a lot of room in here. So I'm gonna probably take off this door because it's about to fall. Thank you for joining. Okay. I'm gonna get my pry bar. Something is telling me that this stuff I'll just hammer this ledge pin out. Thank you for joining, guys. So I already got new hinges for this door, so as you can see, this stuff, it's just the hinges from the kit. So as you can see, they're not holding nothing. It's just all broken. And this is pretty heavy build door. It's a lot of wood. So I'm gonna set it on the sawhorses that I have here on the side. Hi Smasher, hi Ricardo Lona. Thank you everyone for joining. So I'm gonna set this right here on the sawhorses. It is pretty heavy. Just like that. So we can then work on this door, make it look nice again like it used to a long time ago. Okay, like that. And that stuff should also fit in here like this. Whew. Thank you for joining, everyone. So now we can continue moving this kind of stuff to the side. Yeah, it's just lots of different random stuff because they have a pool on the back, and it used to be a toys for kids that they used to play. And the faucet. They have a faucet right here, which is interesting. I don't know what of that stuff they need, what they don't need. I asked them and they said that it wasn't used for a long time, so I assume that that's okay just to put it aside. And we're gonna change these boards like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I counted 10 boards to be changed here. And we're gonna change them completely from the very beginning to the end. And I don't know, I should probably take one of these bikes, maybe even two of them out, since they are just blocking. Yay! I'm gonna probably set it somewhere to the other side. Thank you for joining, guys. Hi, the Dream Kid. So today we're gonna fix this shed. Okay. Yeah, the both bikes are in a rough shape. Pretty rough shape. Thank you for joining, guys. So now we finally see our floors. We have some 4x4 pressure treated posts that we can use. Ooh. Okay. There's just lots of trash. It's just hard to say what is trash, what is not. Some kind of chemicals for the pool. So thank you for joining, guys. Please like and subscribe to the channel. press that button on the top to subscribe, and also give it a like by double tapping the screen. So somebody made an interesting access panel to access the faucet, which is quite funky. It was easier to turn it to the side and put the hose, so, or put the hose all the way down so that this faucet can be open here and the water could be filled somewhere in there. Okay, I don't know what that is either. So we're gonna clean that stuff and all these boards. We're gonna start pulling them one by one. Whew. Thank you for joining, guys. I'm gonna bring my... Okay, I actually can use the shovel. There's a shovel in here that I can use just to collect that stuff. And then I'll put it in a trash bag. For now, it's gonna just sit here. Okay, so let's see if they used screws or they used nails. How do you guys think? I'm hoping it's nails since it was a bigger deck. It's hard to say. Yeah, it seems like it's a Phillips screws. Okay, so what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cut them. I'm gonna cut them flush in here, so we can see what we have. Thank you for joining, everyone. Please like this live stream by double tapping the screen and press subscribe button on the top. And let's start taking this stuff. So I'm gonna cut that thing past the joist right over here, because I don't want to be dealing with that stuff. Okay, now it should be easy. Almost. Yes, it's because it screws, not the nails. Yep. If it was a nail, it would have go much more easier.
I'm going to run some errands, but you're good to do it. The house is unlocked.
I just figured that I had my microphone really far on my cord. Thank you for joining, everyone, guys. Like and subscribe to the channel. So my goal today is to remove these boards. I'll remove them all the way to the end, and we're gonna put the new boards instead of these. And also we have that whole section needs to be cut and removed. This one needs to be cut and removed, so we can pop this piece off and make it flush with the wall. This is exactly what I'm gonna be doing. So I need to get these screws and